My friends, right now I am on the ground of Borgovima Mandir located in Tamluk of Purbo Medinipur of West Bengal in India. My friends, in this Borgovima Mandir, Mayer Bhog, this program has been organized by Gautam Mal residing in Nikasi Bazar of Purbo Medinipur of West Bengal in India. My friends, this is the Mayer Bhog. This is the auspicious food, auspicious prayer to God. And one second, I am saying this program has been organized by Gautam Mal and this is the area. My friends, bhog is offered to God first. Then bhog is partaken, is an integral part of any puja. Bhog management can be made by anybody, irrespective of caste and status. Customs of offering bhog to God in Borgovima Mandir is existed for long time. If we desire to arrange Mayer Bhog, then we shall have to visit office in Borgovima Mandir. The system is that we shall have to supply the grocery and vegetables depending on the number of members. The list of ingredients will be prepared by committee members. If we need to add sole fish, then we shall have to supply to committee members in the morning time on Bhog day. Borgovima Mandir will take rupees 40 per thali from us as the charges for cooking and cleaning. This Mayer Bhog includes rice, potato chips, dal, mixed vegetable, sole fish soup, chutney and payas. Giving sweets will be our additional expenses. My friends, on the Bhog day, we shall have to come early in the morning to select the place where members will be having Mayer Bhog. Before noon, Bhog will be ready. After bhog will be offered to God, then it will be partaken and stored in kitchen room. Then the name of the person who have arranged the bhog will be called for taking the Mayer Bhog from kitchen to the area where he will serve to his members. Popularity of giving Mayer Bhog is increasing day by day in Borgovima Mandir, which is Hindu ancient temple situated at Tamluk in Purbo Medinipur of West Bengal in India, which is also known as Bivas Shakti Pit and Bhima Khali Mandir, and which is devoted to goddess Sati. This is particular shrine of one of 51 Shakti Peeth temples. My friends, now Mayer Bhog is distributed to all members. More than 35 members have attended in this auspicious Mayer Bhog celebration arranged by Gautam Mal of Nikasi Bazar in Tamluk jurisdiction of Purbo Medinipur in West Bengal of India. My friends, this auspicious place is maintained in such a way. If any needle will be there, then anybody can find out. My friends, if you are interested to arrange Mayer Bhog in Borgobhima Mandir, then you will have to come in Borgobhima Mandir, where there is one office, and you have to speak with them, and all the members sitting in the office are very cooperative. My friends, this is the time for us of having Mayer Bhog from Borgobhima Mandir. And once again, this mandir is situated by the bank of Rupnarayan River in Tamluk of Purbo Medinipur. My friends, after all, we have enjoyed Mayer Bhog celebration in Borgobhima Mandir, which is located in Tamluk of Purbo Medinipur of West Bengal in India. My friends, this Mayer Bhog celebration has been arranged by Gautam Mal, staying in Nikasi Bazar of Purbo Medinipur in West Bengal of India. My friends, if you are interested to arrange Mayer Bhog in Borgobhima Mandir, you may contact with the person whose contact number is given in my description box. My friends, from the field of Borgobhima Mandir, I want to see off. Thank you.
Thank you so much.